IMD issues yellow alert for Mumbai, Thane, and Palghar. Heavy rain likely in isolated areas on 2nd July. Raigad under orange alert for very heavy rainfall. Rain forecast to continue from 30th June to 3rd July. Colaba recorded 5.8 mm rain in 24 hours till 29th June. Santa Cruz recorded 6.8 mm rain in the same period. Total rain at Colaba so far is 591.4 mm. Colaba rain is 74.5 mm above normal levels. Santa Cruz rain totals 511.2 mm this season. Santa Cruz is 1.2 mm above normal rainfall. Southwest monsoon covered India by 29th June. Monsoon arrived 9 days early this year. Strong winds hit parts of Mumbai over weekend. Santa Cruz saw wind speeds up to 50 km per hour. Palghar recorded wind gusts of 46 km per hour.